Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the video description. This review reflects my personal experience using the product. We're taking a look at PRTC, found at prtc.us. PRTC appears to be a rather minimalistic website offering what they describe as a private, real-time communication platform. While the site itself doesn't provide extensive details, it emphasizes secure, unencrypted communication. The focus seems to be on privacy, implying that your conversations are protected from prying eyes. They mention features like voice and video calling, along with messaging capabilities. There's also a claim of no tracking or logging, which, if accurate, is a significant benefit for users concerned about their online privacy. The website's streamlined design suggests a straightforward user experience. While the lack of in-depth information might be a drawback for some, it could also be appealing to those seeking a simple and secure communication tool. The design is clean and uncluttered, making navigation easy. The website highlights its commitment to user privacy as its primary selling point. It also mentions end-to-end encryption, which adds another layer of security to your communications. PRTC seems geared towards users who prioritize privacy and secure communication above all else. The absence of detailed feature descriptions may leave potential users wanting more information, but the minimalist approach could also be seen as a strength, highlighting the platform's core focus on privacy. They also mention the availability of apps for various platforms, allowing for access on different devices. The site's simplicity could be interpreted as either a positive or negative, depending on individual user preferences. For some, the lack of information might raise questions about the platform's capabilities. For others, it might be seen as a refreshing change from overly complex communication tools. The apparent emphasis on privacy and security certainly makes PRTC worth considering for those seeking a private communication solution. Finally, it's worth noting that further investigation may be necessary to fully understand the features and functionality offered by PRTC beyond the brief overview presented on their website. They encourage users to contact them directly for more information, which suggests a more personalized approach to customer engagement.